What up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I know you like the indoor location scouting video, so this time we got good weather. We're gonna do outside downtown LA, me and my beautiful wife Shanae.
Hi. Yeah, we're gonna find or let you know how to find the best locations to shoot and what to look for in finding them.
Yep, 3 things. Let's make it happen. Look at this area, it seems very unassuming, right? It's just like a regular garage parking lot, like ramp thing, right? Maybe looking at it with your eyes, it looks very plain, very unassuming, but then once you actually line it up and look at it through your actual lens or through your screen, you can kind of see how it's cropped and it'll actually give you different information and it'll make more sense in your mind. So don't sleep on the spot. One of the first things you want to do is make sure you look through here. Number 1 for this one is find your vibe. You would definitely want to find a vibe of your shoot. Obviously this is a fashion focused photo shoot, so I focus on her outfit, but you also want to change the height to your actual subject. And the more distance we give you, like the more dramatic it looks. So,
right.
Yeah. Dope. So we got the vibe, got the distance. The third one, only like the last one on this list, it's about to be a quick video. The third one on this list is gonna be color. So as you see your boys wearing color, which is very rare for me, but I'm trying to spice it up, okay? Trying to spice it up for y'all for the spring summer. I wanna probably try to match some of this stuff, and if it doesn't match perfectly, I'm probably gonna Photoshop it to make it look like it. So you might get a couple more lessons than you thought. Let's make it happen.
1995, 2005, seen it with my eyes, dope still alive, real mob ties, real frog eyes, real whole eyes.
So we want to play with color a little bit, and if you can see, there's not much, but I see this area right here, and it also has the levels that I think we could kind of play with and make something happen. So go up there on the stairs. Let me work my magic.
Stop all that blessing, young nigga don't wanna go. Never been the go for blood, I always been the soldier. Young niggas in the cut, posted like a vulture. Diving off the stage, in the crowd, it's a mosh pit. Yeah, shawty bad, but she broke and she don't own shit. Mama asked me, son, when the trapping gon' quit. I been riding around through the city in my new. Mama told me not to sell word. 17.5, same color t-shirt. Mama told me not to sell word. 17.5, same color t-shirt. Mama told me not to sell word. 17.5, same color t-shirt.
That was a doozy. I'm just playing.
It was a doozy.
No, I don't think it was that hard.
How'd you feel about it?
I felt pretty good about it. I think it's cool, like finding different spots that you wouldn't think of, spots that are just your normal day-to-day things you pass, and like working with them, seeing what you could do.
To recap, your 3 are this. 1, you want to figure out the vibe of your photo, obviously, right? 2nd, you want to check out your height in relation to your subject. So depending on where you are, you can make them look taller. Like she was a little bit lower on me, so I looked kind of bigger, and I was obviously higher on her, so it made her look small, and the environment was the focus. And number 3, what's number 3?
Color?
Yes, color, yeah. Exactly. So you want to make sure you tell the right color story. Obviously, this isn't exactly the exact color of my situation, but I'm going to put up on the screen right now what it looks like in post. I'm going to actually Photoshop it so it matches my outfit a little bit better, and then you'll see how that goes. But it's a really simple thing to do in Photoshop. I don't think I need to do a tutorial about that, right? Hopefully not.
You probably already did one.
Probably. I've done so many. It doesn't matter. If you do try this, if you are going to do this and you learn from this video and you put it and apply it to your Instagram pages, make sure you post hashtag TOD is like Team on Deck, but shorter. TOD Outdoor. I also put it down here on the screen and probably like in the first comment so you guys don't forget. But I do want to see your work. I do want to shout you out on my Instagram stories. I will be reposting these if you guys want to join the fun. And that's about it, y'all. So thumbs up, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you for your time as usual, and I will see you
on the next one. Peace.
I'm out. I'm out.
Oh, shout out to Jay. Shout out to my brother. He goes by Days Creates on Instagram. All right, he's a great photographer. Amazing. He shot this video for us, so there we go. Boom.
Hit the gas. 12 can't pull me over. 12 space coupe, Quavo, Yoda, pouring, drinking sodas. I get high on my own, sir. Heard you gon' clone, sir. Stop all that.